Welcome to Bone Cottage. Every day I upload free house designs on my subscribers demand. So the beautiful tiny house you are watching on the screen, in this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So the total area I have taken is width is 20 feet in meter 6 meter and the length is 10 feet in meter 3 meter. So in the front we have a sliding door here. After that we'll go inside. So we have living cum dining area. The size of the living cum dining area is 12 feet into 9 feet 4 inches in meter 3.65 into 2.84 meter. You can see here the sofa cum bed and also a tea table, and we have a TV unit on the front wall, and we have a dining counter with 2 chairs and 3 large size window for ventilation of this area. After that we'll go on right side. So we have a kitchen area. The size of the kitchen is 7 feet into 5 feet in meter 2.13 into 1.52 meter. You can see here the kitchen counter, the burner, sink and also refrigerator arrangement, and we have a window for ventilation of this kitchen. After that we'll go on right side. So we have washroom plus water closet here. The size of the washroom is 7 feet into 5 feet in meter 2.13 into 1.21 meter. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the videos. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.